Welcome to our educational video on transferability in qualitative research. Transferability refers to the extent to which research findings can be applied to different situations or contexts. To achieve transferability, researchers must provide rich and detailed descriptions of their research methods and findings. Let's explore transferability through examples from various fields. In healthcare, a study on patient satisfaction can provide insights applicable to different hospitals or clinics. In education, a research project on teaching methods can offer valuable guidance to educators in diverse school settings. In business, a market research study can help companies make informed decisions across different industries. By sharing detailed information, researchers enable others to assess the transferability of their findings. Remember, transferability enhances the value and impact of qualitative research in diverse real-world contexts. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide on transferability in qualitative research. Dr. Philip Adu, a methodology expert at the Center for Research Methods Consulting, has curated this video.